Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Physics lecture from Bahria Colleges PNET. Our topic is electronic balance. After this lecture, you will be able to understand electronic balance, working of electronic balance, and difference between beam, physical, and electronic balance. We were discussed about physical and lever balance in our previous class. These balance determine mass by balancing an unknown mass against a known mass. Today we will discuss about electronic balance. Due to their easy operation and fast measurement, their use has spread very quickly. More accurate and reliable measurement is obtained by electronic balance. Electronic balance come in various ranges: milligram range, gram range, and kilogram range. Some digital balance measured 0.1 milligram. Such balance are considered the most precise balance. Before measuring the mass of a body, it is switched on and its reading is set to 0. Next, place the object to be weighed. The reading on the balance give you the mass of the body placed over it. Now we discuss the procedure of electronic balance. Balance measure the force that act downward on the pen. The force is converted to an electrical signal and displayed on digital display. Placing an object on the balance displays the simple pen downward by force equal to product of the simple mass and its acceleration due to gravity. The balance generate a current proportional to displacement of the pen. Modern digital balance use a force restoration mechanism. Electromagnetic force restoration is often used. The force is created to be compared to the unknown mass. The weighing pen is attached to an electromagnetic coil through which electric current is flowing. More mass, more current, the counteracting force is created, are measured to obtain the reliable rest of the resulting electrical result into displayed number. Now let us see the least count of the beam balance, physical balance, and electronic balance. A sensitive beam balance may be able to detect a change as small as of 0.1 gram or 100 milligram. Its least count will be 100 milligram. Least count of the physical balance may be as small as 0.01 gram or 10 milligram. Its measurement would be more precise than a sensitive beam balance. Least count of an electronic balance is 0.001 gram or 1 milligram. Its measurement would be more precise than a sensitive physical balance. So, we can say that electronic balance is most sensitive balance. Now you can easily understand and distinguish all kind of measuring instrument and its uses in labs.